Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Visual Code app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Visual Code, often referred to as Visual Studio Code or VS Code, is a powerful and lightweight code editor developed by Microsoft. It's widely used by developers for writing and debugging code across a variety of programming languages like JavaScript, Python, C++, and more. The app offers rich features including IntelliSense, smart code completion, Git integration, syntax highlighting, extensions, and customizable themes, all packed into a mobile-friendly version for coding on the go. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users praise its responsive interface and smooth experience, even on smaller screens. The app syncs well with cloud-based repositories like GitHub, making it easy to manage projects from anywhere. Developers also appreciate the ability to install extensions that enhance productivity, such as linters, debuggers, and language support tools. It's especially useful for quick edits, reviewing code, or running small snippets while away from a full desktop setup. However, it does come with some limitations. The mobile version lacks some advanced features available in the desktop edition, such as integrated terminal support or complex project setup tools. Some users also report occasional performance lags on larger projects or when using too many extensions. Moreover, serious development work might still require a keyboard and larger screen, limiting its utility for full-scale coding tasks. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Visual Code app may be worth using if you're a developer who needs a reliable, mobile-friendly code editor for light coding tasks, quick reviews, or on-the-go debugging. It shines in accessibility, Git integration, and extension support. However, if you're handling large-scale development or need more powerful tools, the desktop version remains a better fit. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.